You may have heard Microsoft Fabric being mentioned in relation to analytics and data and wondered what it was. Well, in this short video taken directly from my BI Analyst Starter program, I introduce students to Microsoft Fabric and explain how it's changing the business intelligence landscape for the Microsoft ecosystem. Let's jump in. This is your starting point for understanding what Fabric actually is, how it fits into the world of business intelligence, and why it's worth paying attention to, especially if you're planning to work with modern data platforms. We'll explore what makes Fabric different from what's come before, and how it helps BI analysts simplify the messy parts of working with data. This isn't about mastering every feature, it's about getting a clear picture of what Fabric offers. So let's start with the big question. What exactly is Microsoft Fabric? Put simply, it's Microsoft's new all-in-one analytics platform, a place where you can do everything from bringing in data, cleaning it up, running analytics on it, and finally building out dashboards. All of it in one place. At the heart of Fabric is OneLake. Think of it as a single shared data lake for an entire organization. Whether you're working in data engineering, BI, or dipping into data science or machine learning, Fabric is designed to keep everything connected and tidy. Now let's talk about the core components of Microsoft Fabric. Starting with OneLake, as we just said, it's centralized storage that avoids duplication and keeps everything organized. Then you have Data Factory. This offers a drag-and-drop style data ingestion and transformation layer. No code if you want it, and code if you need it. Then we have Synapse, which is for the heavy lifting, big data crunching using SQL and Spark. Then we have Power BI, which is built in and ready to go for real-time dashboards. And then you have Purview, which powers security and governance. If you've been around the Microsoft ecosystem for a while, this probably sounds familiar. That's because Fabric pulls together tools we already know and finally puts them under one roof, like Azure Synapse, Power BI, and Data Factory. Previously, using these tools meant managing separate platforms, moving data between services, and dealing with integration headaches. Fabric solves that by bringing everything together. But this move isn't just about convenience, it's about enabling faster insights, reducing costs, and making life easy for BI analysts, engineers, and business users alike. So why is Microsoft Fabric important for BI? Well, from a BI perspective, Fabric is a huge step forward. One of the biggest pain points in BI has always been stitching together disconnected tools. You'd pull data with one thing, transform it with another, and then visualize it with something else. Fabric simplifies all of that with one single ecosystem. So you can connect to just about any data source with minimal fuss. You get access to serious compute power when working with large data sets. You can build real-time reports in Power BI, all without leaving the platform. And crucially, you can do it all without needing to go back and forth with the IT team every time you need something changed. In short, it's more efficient, more flexible, and a whole lot less frustrating. So let's talk about how Microsoft Fabric is changing the BI landscape. Well, Microsoft Fabric does more than combine a bunch of tools under one roof. It actually changes the way we think about working with data. So you no longer need to move data around constantly or manage integrations between half a dozen platforms. ETL also becomes a lot less technical and more accessible, especially for BI analysts who aren't coders. Reporting is faster and fresher because your data stays in OneLake and feeds directly into Power BI. And even though things are more self-service, you still get proper control over security and governance thanks to Purview. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in BI for years, Fabric helps strip away a lot of the setup and technical friction. This means that you can spend more time thinking about the data and what it's telling you, and less time wrestling with the plumbing behind it all, as it were. If you're interested in learning more about Fabric, Power BI, and business intelligence in general via a curated and guided learning experience, check out my BI Analyst Starter program via the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.